Okay, time to take a look at the SUV Air Mattress. So we do have a user manual in a bunch of different languages. That's cool. So we got a little baggie, so whenever we want to, we can just pack this guy up. And we have the mattress and a charging cable. So this is a USB-A to USB-C. And there it is. So this is the thing that really makes this stand out to me, is the fact that it's got its own pump built into the mattress. So you don't have to carry anything with you. Everything you need is right here. So we have the inlet here. So when it starts sucking air in, it's going to be pulling it in through this port. When we want to charge it, we can use these ports. So we got a USB-C and a USB-A there. And when we want to deflate it, this is the output. So it looks like we got a dual size adapter. That's interesting. I think if you want to attach that to a hose or something, you could use that. Oh, that's cool. It actually came with some patches too. So if your kid jumped on this with a sharp object in their pocket, you can go ahead and just patch that up. That's neat. So I'm going to seal this back up. And then if we want to start the pump, all we got to do is press this orange button right here. But before I do that, I'm going to lay this guy out so that it can actually inflate. So that's pretty impressive. I mean, the two things I could definitely say about that is it did it very quickly, and the second one is that it did it fairly quietly. Like, that is not a very loud motor on there, which is very nice. And it looks like we've got a slight elevation right here. So even if you forget your pillows, you can still sleep fairly comfortably. Looks like we are at about 49 inches wide and 74 inches in length. And the depth, we're looking at about between 7 and 8 inches depending on where you're sitting. The thing that's really cool about this is it has these flaps right here to go over your wheel wells. So if you try to put a traditional mattress in your car, it's going to give you problems because it's going to try to bow up on the sides. With this, you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, if you're thinking about putting a mattress in the back of your vehicle, it's going to be hard to find a better option than this. That is an awesome mattress.